Hello everybody and welcome back to NFTable. Today we're going to be going over the smart contracts that you find when you purchase an NFT. Let's get started. For this example today, I'm going to be using Hedera, which is a smart contract company that you can outsource your contracting needs for. So you can hire them to do smart contracts for a variety of tasks. And it currently shows that the companies they are affiliated with are right here, like Google, IBM, LG. We're looking at Ubisoft, T-Mobile, Boeing, and a handful of other companies that I am unfamiliar with. Essentially, what a smart contract is it gives you the opportunity to identify you as the owner of an NFT, right? So let's say that you purchase a valuable piece of art. In that art, when you purchase it from the marketplace platform, it shows that whoever purchases this is the legal owner of this artwork. And if you purchase it, all the rights get transferred to your wallet after you pay, and you now have a smart contract that was formed while you were purchasing that NFT. And this can be used in a variety of different fashions, not just artwork, but let's say there's things like skins or playable characters. Let's say you are in a game and you purchase a skin, or you purchase a gun, or you purchase a vehicle. That smart contract is now going to give you ownership of that NFT through that platform. From there, anytime you want to sell it, it'll cross-reference if you were the owner of that object, and it will then allow you to sell it to get money back. Smart contracts are also used for a variety of other things, and here in their use cases it says their payments. It can reduce costs and unlock new revenue. Fraud mitigation, it reduces costs and protects customers because it is a smart contract. Data compliance, log and publicly verify actions. Permission blockchain, create a private ledger with a public trust. Identity, maintain the lifecycle of credentials. So because it is a smart contract, it will exist on the internet through blockchain. And tokenized assets, which is going to be NFTs. However, smart contracts don't just apply to NFTs. For example, if you really wanted to, if you owned a house outright, you could then create a smart contract for the buyer of your house to pay cryptocurrency. And when they pay you the cryptocurrency, you give them that. It would be an NFT, but it would be an actual physical location. And the smart contract says that they own it because they paid X amount of cryptocurrency for it. Like healthcare, enterprise, case studies, and the last one that most of the NFT community really does care about is going to be gaming. Smart contracts and gaming are going to be hand in hand, especially now that the play to earn market is expanding so drastically. Another explanation, in case you don't quite understand exactly what a smart contract is, it says here, arguably, a smart contract is a tool to implement a sale agreement between the NFT owner and buyer, like a vending machine. Smart contracts, being self-executing, are able to verify that the terms of the contract have been met and execute the terms without the need of an intermediary or central authority. Because there are so many different kinds of NFTs, it's impossible for one person or one company to consistently be the intermediary between the buyer and the seller. These things are flying off of the shelves every single day. That's why it is an automatically executing contract on the blockchain system. And this is confirming it again. It verifies the ownership and handling the transferability of the NFT. Here's another excerpt from this article. At the very core of smart contracts are a series of if, then, and when statements that are written as code into the blockchain. These are run by a network of computers that executes all the agreed upon actions coded in the smart contract. Each action is executed only if the predetermined conditions are met and verified. Smart contract is programming that exists within the blockchain. This enables the network to store information that is indicated in an NFT transaction. Once done, this can be accessed when needed. The smart contract also ensures the information is stored is transparent as well as immutable. So with all of this, smart contracts are nothing to be afraid of. Now, reading them and understanding them may take a little learning, but they are not impossible to get to learn and know. It's much easier if you do have a coding background or programming background, because you can read through the coding in the contract much quicker. But if you sit down with enough time, you too can also read a contract as easy as day. And not only that, but you can access other contracts between big companies or your friends, and you can get to know exactly what the projects are showing, and it says everything right there in the contract. That's all for today. Thank you so much for dropping by with NFT Bull. My name is Wolfgang, and as always, have an amazing day.